this is a review of the car boot storage holder. Okay, really very cool little kit. So let's start off with the back. So we have these little buckles that we will just funnel through, snap it around the top of our seats and hold stuff like that. Okay, and then we've got the front. So we have one really big pocket here. So we just open this up and then you can see that it's not like super deep, but it's not bad. And you can see it opens up right here, and then we can just put stuff. So if you want to put like a shopping bag in there or some bottles of drink and what's not, you can do. Then we have two smaller pockets just here. Okay, so you can see two smaller pockets, not massive. You could fit little things in there, little bits and bobs that you don't want flying around. And just below that you have this netted pocket, and again just you can put bits and bobs in there. Next to that netted pocket you have another netted pocket. These are not attached netted pockets, so they are two separate netted pockets. And then again you've got another pocket holder, which is half the size of the one on the left, but right here. Okay, so that's actually pretty cool. Very happy with this. I would absolutely recommend this.